to evaluate volume of solid of revolution. Now, there are in two ways. If it is rotated about the x-axis, the volume of solid of revolution is given as the integral of pi y squared dx. However, if it is rotated about the y-axis, the volume is given by integral of a to b by x squared dx. Now, let's take a look at this question. It says the curve y is equals to x squared plus 4 is rotated one revolution about the x-axis between the limits x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 4. We should determine the volume of solid of revolution produced. Now, since we are dealing with x-axis, the volume is equal to integral of a to b by y squared dx. Now, it is between the limit of x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 4. Therefore, a is equals to 1 and b is equal to 4. Therefore, we can make our substitutions and say that a is 1 and b is 4 pi, and our y is x squared plus 4 squared dx. Now let's simplify further. So this will be integral of 1 to 4. Remember that pi is a constant which can be brought outside if we differentiate the integral sign. So we'll have x raised to the power 4 plus 8x squared plus 16 dx. As after opening the brackets. So we can now integrate this expression. Integrating this expression, we will have x raised to the power 5 over 5 plus 8x raised to the power 3 over 3 plus 16x. And our limit is from 1 to 4, multiplying a constant pi. Therefore, we impute our upper limit, we impute our lower limit, and then we simplify. So our upper limit of 4 will have 4 raised to the power 5 over 5 plus 8 into 4 raised to the power 3 over 3 plus 16 into 4. This, and then we have subtracted from the lower limit of 1, that's 1 raised to the power 5 over 5 plus 8 into 1 raised to the power 3 over 3 plus 16 into 1. Therefore, we have pi into 204.8 plus 170.67 plus 64 minus 0.2 plus 2.67 plus 16. Now, when we simplify this expression with our calculator, we have it to have 420.6 pi. And since it is volume, it is rotated about the x-axis. The unit is cubic unit. So recall that whenever we want to evaluate the solid of revolution, we must understand if it is rotated about the x-axis or rotated about the y-axis.